Attention! This is not a normal tattoo. This is not a simple fashion statement. This is a head tattoo. And before you even think about getting one, you need to hear this completely. Head tattoos look bold. They look fearless. They look powerful. But do you know what really happens when the needle touches your skull? Let's talk honestly. The pain level, is it really that bad? Yes, it is intense. The scalp is one of the most painful areas to tattoo. Why? Because the skin on the head is very thin. There is very little fat between skin and skull. The bone is directly beneath, and the head has a high concentration of nerve endings. When the machine runs, the vibration directly hits your skull. You literally feel the buzzing inside your head. Some clients say it feels like continuous scratching on bone, sharp vibration drilling into the skull, or like electricity running through the head. Pain scale? For many people, 8 to 10 out of 10. And if you are getting behind the ear or near the temple area, it can feel even sharper. This is not for beginners. This is not for someone who cannot sit steady. The hidden risks of head tattoos. Head tattoos are not just about pain. There are serious risks involved. Blowouts, because scalp skin is thin. If the needle goes too deep, the ink spreads under the skin. This causes blurred lines and permanent damage. Overworking the skin. Too much pressure can damage hair follicles. In some cases, hair may not grow properly again in that area. Infection risk. Sweat, heat, and hair make scalp hygiene tricky. Improper aftercare can lead to infection quickly. Uneven healing. The scalp produces oil and sweat. That affects healing and ink retention. Professional impact. Let's be real. Head tattoos are highly visible. Even if you grow hair, shaving later will reveal it. Think long-term before doing it. Why experience matters the most. Head tattoo is not a practice area. It must be done by an experienced tattoo artist. Why? Proper needle depth control, correct machine voltage, gentle hand movement, understanding of scalp anatomy, proper hygiene and sterile procedure. An inexperienced artist can damage skin, cause severe blowouts, create patchy healing, leave permanent scarring. Remember this. A cheap tattoo becomes expensive when you try to fix it later. Before getting a head tattoo, ask yourself, can I tolerate extreme pain? Am I mentally prepared? Is my artist experienced in scalp tattoos? Have I seen healed results of their work? Do I understand aftercare fully? Never rush into a head tattoo because of trend or social media. Who should avoid head tattoos? First-time tattoo clients, people with low pain tolerance, people with scalp skin issues, those unsure about long-term visibility, people getting tattoo just for attention. This tattoo demands commitment. Aftercare is critical. After getting a head tattoo, keep it clean. Avoid sweating heavily. Avoid helmets for few days. Follow ointment instructions strictly. Do not scratch during peeling stage. Scalp heals differently than arm or leg. It needs extra care. Final advice. Head tattoos look shocking. They look powerful. They make a bold statement. But they are not for everyone. Choose experience over price. Choose hygiene over speed. Choose patience over impulse. Because when the tattoo is on your head, there is no hiding it. Think twice. Choose wisely. Ink responsibly. If you want more professional tattoo awareness content like this, follow and subscribe to Tattoo 18 and visit SWASTHIK Tattoo Studio for safe and professional tattoo guidance. Stay bold, stay smart, stay artistic. Artist Palette Skull.